Hey guys, Darlingtonfarm here. As I am recording this, it is Friday the 13th. Not sure exactly when I'll get it up here, but I decided a while ago I got a new pipe liner here to go ahead and do a bloody hockey mask like Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th, so I hope you like it there. Anyway, yeah, so my channel is going to be back from the dead here. It has been a very busy summer, a lot of road tripping, a lot of projects, and yeah, I am very happy to be home for the foreseeable future. That may change here, but I am really hoping I can actually get some time at home here because I got a lot of projects that I need to get done, and I want to take you guys along and not let my channel die off here. We're going to tackle the Vantage behind me here. Last year the rotor smoked in it in the generator, and so we're going to go ahead, tear it apart, get the rotor rewound, and hopefully somebody will buy it because I don't really think I'm going to keep it around. I'm not doing much work that I need that nowadays. I also have, hopefully, this is a big fingers crossed everything works out, a Monarch Monarch 10 EE that's going to be in the shop before too long here. Really hoping that deal works out. That should be really exciting. I don't remember a whole lot of details about the machine. It's at one of my customers, and I don't think had anybody that can run it, and so they had mentioned keeping it here for a while, so I'm really hoping I can talk him out of that guy. Yeah, like I said, I've had some interesting projects. Like I said, a lot of sanitary work. I have been doing some procedure development at a place that uses copper alloy pipe. I don't know how much I can go into the details on that, or should go into details, but suffice it to say, it was cool. I got to play around with the Dynasty 800. I had my Dynasty 210 there, which I'm going to do a whole separate video on the Dynasties there, and as I get mine back from the repair shop. Theirs had 30 hours on it. It's a Dynasty 800 that the high frequency decided to crap out. And then mine had 9.5 hours on it, or I should take that back, it was about 10 hours or so on it whenever it blew up at their place. I mean, boom, blew the side of the case out. It went up in a big way. Of course, it was running off 480, and it blew a 60 amp 480 breaker. Anyway, yeah, I'll go into that in another video here, and hopefully I get it back here before too long, and kind of what I've learned about those guys. And anyway, yeah, so it's been interesting, but like I said, we're gonna be making some more videos here. I'm pretty excited to actually be home for a little while and making some content here. Really enjoyed. I taught a class for a couple weeks at that place, and kind of intro to TIG pipe welding, and really enjoyed it. And I may look at that as like a business opportunity down the road. I really enjoyed that. I have a couple other places I might be able to do that, and so I'm kind of interested to do that. I'm going to FabTech this fall, so if anybody's interested, FabTech is like the big welding fabrication trade show in Chicago. I'll take you guys along. I'm super pumped to be going to that, so that ought to be interesting. Anyway, I'm going to keep the video short here. I'll throw some pictures up of the projects I've done over the summer, and hope you enjoyed. Please check back the channel here. Definitely going to be making some more content over the next couple weeks, so you can please tune back in and see what's going on. Anyway, I'm Darlingtonfarm. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That I think helps in the rankings there. Anyway, I'm Darlingtonfarm. Thank you for watching. Mm-hmm.